VT 30 series television from Panasonic, which comes in 55 and 65 inches. Now, this is the successor to the VT25 that we saw last year, but the main difference here is the one sheet of glass design. So you have a flat panel all the way across. Now, because Panasonic upgraded its technology for 3D, 2D looks really good on this screen. There's also a 600 Hz subfield drive. There are also 4 HDMI ports and 3 USB ports for connecting things like keyboards. There are also some pretty great software features like Wi-Fi and DLNA connectivity for accessing content on your home network, along with Skype video calling with Panasonic's accessory. This TV also has the Viera Connect features, which gives you access to social networking sites and sports sites like ESPN and MLB. Overall, this is a really nice TV from Panasonic, and I love the one sheet of glass design upgrade from last year. It's also nice that, unlike a lot of the other 3D TVs, Panasonic has included one pair of 3D glasses. Pricing isn't yet available, but we know that it's coming out in the spring. For CNET.com, I'm Sharon Backman.